Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into the channel. My name is Veil Dogs and this is my kitchen, where we make restaurant quality foods or better. Okay? So guys, let's get cooking. This is part 2 or part 1 of me making them charbroiled steaks. And right now we'll go ahead and get started with these potatoes. These are going to be the best, delicious potatoes with garlic and butter. Alright? And we're going to throw some sour cream in there too, just to make it a little creamy. Stay with me. Don't turn from it. Okay guys, I'm back. Okay, what you're going to need is a pot right here with some water. You're going to need a butter. This is probably going to be half a stick of butter, because I got to watch my calories down. But anyway, here's some sour cream. Here's some sea salt right here, Mediterranean. Here's some coarse black pepper, restaurant style. And here's that garlic right here, granulated. Okay? So, we're going to go ahead and jump into the utensils. This is a smasher. Okay, you're going to just smash it up or whatever. This is a potato peeler. Here's a knife. Alright? Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of these potatoes and I'm going to skim some of the red stuff off it. Okay? I ain't going to take all of it off because I like some on mine. So if you guys watch the video on that steak, it got smoke in here. But no, for real, you do want to let that steak rest for about good 10-15 minutes before you serve it up. Well, in this case, we're doing these potatoes, so they'll be resting for quite some time. Alright? Alright. You get what I'm doing. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up the rest of these and I'll show you how these going to look in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. So I got these peeled up and I just want to cut them in pieces, like squares, like so. Okay? Ain't got to be perfect or nothing because you're going to smash them, right? So I keep some of that red stuff on there. It's a lot of nutrition in their skin. So I'm going to cut these up in like that. Alright? And you want to wash them. I washed them. And then I'm going to wash them about 2 more times. You want to use some salt and all that stuff, you can. But the reason why we want to wash these is because it got a lot of starch. And we don't want our water looking chalky and all that stuff. So yeah, you just cut them up like so. If you're scared to cut them up like this, you can put them on the board and cut them. Like I said, you know, I've been cooking for years. Till you get comfortable with doing it, I want to suggest you to do it like this. You gotta be skillful with the knife, and I want to leave these kind of thick a little bit. Reason why, because it seems like they don't absorb as much water. So we try to leave them thick. The red potato, they hold, meaning they stay longer than like the regular potatoes. Okay, we're gonna wash these off. Here's the potatoes right here. You don't want to fill them up like I just did right there. I'm gonna go a little bit lower because I don't want to boil over. Okay, the water will boil over. So about right there. Okay, that's good. We stick that on there. When I get done cooking up, I'll be back. So I'm back. I decided I was going to do a video on some broccoli. Why? I'm going to do a video another time on some broccoli. These are frozen broccoli. I let them sit out and got them thawed. I just put about, I don't know, about 3 tablespoons worth of water up in there. We're just going to pour this in here. We're going to be having that with our potatoes. See that? Take us some butter. 2 tablespoons of the butter. Just like that. Take me a little salt. So we're going to use a 1/4 teaspoon. Like that. That's it. Then we're going to go with the lemon pepper. Do a quarter of that. Alright? So that's a quarter teaspoon right there. It may not look like it, but trust me, I'm telling you the truth. I'm going to straight up measure this stuff for you guys because I think you guys don't believe me when I'm telling you. We're going to put a little, just a little bit, a dust of garlic in there. Just a dust. Then we'll go with our black pepper. Put a dust of that in there because we got pepper from our lemon pepper, right? So that's it. I'm not gonna do a video on something like this. I don't want to rob you guys. I try to keep it real with you guys 100%. So that's how that looks. We put a lid on that, let that cook, and we'll be rocking. So guys, when the potatoes get close to being done, I'll be back in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. We're just gonna go ahead and check on these potatoes. Using a fork. I'm not penetrating it, so it's not done. It's getting there though. So flip some of them around, like so. And we just put the lid back on there until they get done. The broccoli is done. That's the broccoli. You guys can see that. I'm gonna pour some of this juice off. Or if you want to know, I'm looking for the lemon juice. But my son must have moved it. I'm quite sure of it. But that's how I want my broccoli to be, right there. They ain't real green or nothing like that. They're a little off, but I like mine's a little tender. So, see what I'm saying? So, I'm gonna go ahead and let this finish cooking up. When I get done, I'll bring it back over at the table. I just wanted you guys to know if that fork do not. I'm gonna wash this off. I'm gonna show you guys again. That's fork do not penetrate without any problems. See that? It's almost done though. Then it's not done. Alright, in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. I'll just take that off, the lid off. See how hot that is up in there? That's how you want it. I drained all the water out of there. And I'm going to put 6 tablespoons of butter. This butter is just the creamy kind. It's not salty. Okay? We're going to put that in there. We're going to go ahead and put some milk in there. 2/3 of a cup. Just regular milk. You got your smasher. Just smash it. Now I like mine a little lumpy because I'm old school like that. You can keep smashing and smashing. Add more milk if you want to creamier. I like mine a little bit lumpy. Okay? So you guys can see that. Alright. So we're going to take some sour cream. Let's see, we put a tablespoon of that. Got some black pepper, some salt. Let's see. That's a half teaspoon. So a teaspoon of the salt. Black pepper. Just dusting that. Okay? So that's like a quarter. You can just smash that some more. Like so. Okay, that's how I love it. I love mine. I like mine kind of thick, like old school stuff. We need a spoon. Just gonna stir this stuff in. Yeah, here at Veil Dog's Kitchen, we try to keep it real as possible. I'm not scripted at all. Like I said, when we learn the stuff together, this stuff I already know. I mean, it's just different. But somebody out there may not know. You want to know how you make mashed potatoes? Old school way? Tune in. So I'm going to taste this. Excellent. That is super good. You don't need no more salt at all. So what we will do, we're going to add another tablespoon of this sour cream. Because I didn't put that much milk, I only put two-thirds of a cup. So this probably killed the rest of this. So this would be about, let me see if I can see. So about almost another tablespoon. So I'm just telling you, 2 tablespoons of sour cream. All right. Add some Parmesan cheese. Sprinkle a little of that in there. So like we go with like a tablespoon. Just stir that up in there. Some of y'all wondering, hey, he said he's gonna put some garlic in there. I am. It ain't gonna be much of it. You just want a hint of it. Right? And here we go. We're dusting it. Just like so. Not even a quarter. So it's like pretty much a pinch. I just want a hint of garlic. But this is a creamy, cheesy, smashed potatoes. Not mashed potatoes, but smash potatoes. Okay? See how thick that is? See that? That's thick. That's how you want it. That's old school. See that? Look at that on my finger. Excellent. I can do that by myself. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and set up this. This is part 2 of part 1. Do go back and check out how I made them charbroiled steaks, T-bone steaks in the oven. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and put this stuff together and let you guys check it out in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. There it is. T-bone charbroiled steak. We have some creamy, cheesy, buttery garlic, smashed potatoes, and we have some frozen, let's keep it real y'all, we got some frozen broccoli. From my home to yours. This is part 2. If you guys want to know how I made all this stuff, refer back to when I made this steak. Right here, this T-bone steak right here. You guys like, share, and please subscribe to the channel. Veil Dog be making restaurant quality foods, or better, from my home to yours. Guys, let's get cooking.